words, you said in effect that Senator Clinton's mismanagement of health care meant that 40 million Americans have not had it since 1993. That's a very serious charge.
I didn't use the word mismanagement. I think Senator Clinton actually worked as First Lady at that time very hard for health care. But I listened to this discussion, and this is what I hear. Bunch of people who've been in Washington a long time who think that everything has to be done there. It's like the rest of America doesn't exist. They're going to have a bunch of Washington insiders who sit around tables together, negotiate, compromise, insurance companies, drug companies, lobbyists, and they're going to figure out together, to the exclusion of the rest of America, what should be done about health care. I think we actually need a president who's willing to go to America and make the case for the need for universal health care. And the thing that I have committed to do is the first day that I am president, I will say to the Congress, to myself, to the Vice President, to the members of the Cabinet, if you have not passed universal health care by July of this year, July of 2009, you lose your health care, because there is no excuse for politicians in Washington to have health care coverage when America has no health care coverage. And can I add one last thing?
Senator, I want to ask you this because in 2004, when you ran for president,
yes,
you said we could not afford universal health care. It was not achievable, and it was not responsible. You've changed dramatically on this issue.
That's true, and so has America. I proposed universal health care for children at that point. And what is clear from this presidential campaign is I was the first presidential candidate. Others have followed me now, and that's a good thing for America. But I was the first presidential candidate to lay out a specific, truly universal health care plan. And the one thing I can tell you, as anybody who knows me, knows I will never give up. What happened in '93 and '94 is we didn't get universal health care, but we got NAFTA. And when I'm President of the United States, you have my word, I will never pull the universal health care bill. I will put everything I have behind making sure